friends, today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a glowing campfire. To complete this craft, you will need a clear plastic cup, tissue paper in red, orange, and yellow, liquid glue, an LED tea light, twigs or thin craft sticks, cotton balls, brown construction paper, scissors, and a brown marker. Here's what you'll do. First, cut your tissue paper into little squares. Next, put your finger or the eraser end of a pencil in the middle of a piece of tissue paper and then pull up the sides around it. Dip it in a little bit of glue and then attach it to the outside of your upside-down cup. Keep doing this until your entire cup is covered in the little scrunched up squares. Let it dry. To make a marshmallow for roasting over your fire, dip a cotton ball in the glue and attach it to the end of a craft stick or twig. Make logs for your fire using brown construction paper. Cut out lengthwise into strips. You can add details to your logs by drawing lines on them with a brown marker. To set up a fire, crisscross your logs, put your LED tea light on the top of them, and then put your cup upside down on top of your light. Ta-da! Here's the finished glowing campfire. Go somewhere dark and watch it glow. It looks like a real campfire. You can roast your pretend marshmallows on top of it. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!